Hi, good day. This is Ken Lau. Well, we have a product sales data here, right? You can download it along, right, and you see whether you can find some information from that list of data, right? This is about 60,000 over data, 60,000, see 60,000. So I use this and I created a pivot table. So you can easily do this right using pivot table, but we want to go deeper. I want to find out that for this year and this year, what is the difference like? What's the difference? So you can actually use a calculator or even do this right and minus this and you get, oh yeah, for this year and this year the difference for July is this, and then you drag here, then oh, it doesn't change, right? So you might want to do another one, or maybe you want to go into the formula. Okay, so this is the old way of doing uh, this data analysis, right, in pivot table, right, pivot table. So let's look at the new way, right? The new way is called a power pivot, right? You can have write a measure and then find out the total sales for last year's, and then you do a comparisons. So I'm going to show you how to do this total sales then, right? I'm going to remove that. I'm just going to delete it and redo it. Before that, let's take a look at what is it all about, right? So we're going to write this again. So it's a calculate total sales, date it, and so on. Okay, so I can delete this, yes, and go to Power Pivot, new measured. So you're gonna add the measure under the sales table. So this is the total sales, but it's 1 year back, and we'll use to calculate DAX formulas, and then want to find the total sales, but not exactly everything. So we use the date add function, and it's based on the calendar's date years, and -1. Now this -1 means this is 1 year back from whatever the filters says, and we use year. Okay, 1 year back, January, 1 year back from this year January. So it's gonna show us the 2002 January sales data, right? So we got day 8, this bracket, and we have one more. So this is cost total sales. So we're gonna use number, and we're gonna 0, use the semblance, and click OK. Okay, so here it tells you that 1 year back from this January 2003. That means it's in year 2002 January, the sales is 596. So 596, is that true? Let's take a look at this 2002. 596, you see that? Yeah. If you click on right, and there's no sales. Okay, as you go through, see and that. So 1596, 1 year back, which is 2002 January. So take a look. It's 596. Okay. So next, we can also do changes comparisons. So we just need to use that. Hey, this year, what is the changes like? Right? Changes or adjustment, change. So we can just use the right sales change. So from last year to this year, or this, yeah, for this year and that year, right? So it's total sales minus this total sales 1 year back, and again its numbers is gonna be decimal numbers, and click OK. And yeah, instantly you can see that the sales changes by negative, right? So this can be worrying in January, but then let's take a look at the December sales, right? This is quite encouraging, right? So by doing this sales analysis, right, and we got to know that when to replenish stock, when is it to do more promotion, right? And this is sales change. So in terms of percentage, we can also do that. Click on new measured. Okay, so since I have already the changes, so I can just say percentage, percentage change, right? Just put that percentage sales change. Okay, sales change compared to last year. So I'm going to just use the change, right? There is a change, sales change, right? And then divide by uh, this total sales last year's one last year. And numbers, user members, 0. Click OK. So that is the negative growth for that. Ah, you can't use that, right? So we gotta change to percentage. Add measured numbers, right? Is in terms of percentage. So this should be okay. Hmm. I'll take a look at this, right? So generally, it's negative growth, right? But not to worry, right? Is this company always has such a behavior? Let's take a look at 2004. Not exactly, right? In fact, the sales is picking up, but July ones is not that good, right? So let's take a look at 2002, right? There's no sales data, so we can't do comparisons because it just start up in 2001, right? July 2002, 2003. Okay, right. So across 4 years, you can take a look at how the growth changed, right? So it comes to the peak in June 2051, right, compared to last year's, which is 2003, right? Because notice that this 2004. So you can see that the Power Pivots can make this sales change, percentage sales change, right? Make it super fast, right? Um, IFS, it's time to learn Power Pivot. Thank you.